Hey guys, welcome back to Cousin. Oh my gosh, there's a bird. So I don't know if you can see, but it's actually actively snowing right now, which isn't a good sign because, yeah, it's just not. Wait, can I take a picture? Sorry, I just stopped it. So I am using my sister's selfie stick right now. I'm sorry, Carson, I forgot to ask you, but I want this. So Carson, if I can use this, this is a lifesaver. I don't have to go like that to stop it. I can just hit the button that I hit on accident that made you guys stop. But what I was going to do today was go fishing with my dad, and I found some waterproof cases that I forgot about, and I decided I wanted to do that. And I'm hoping we're still going, but it's snowing, and you can kind of see it, I think. Not really heavy, but like for going in the mountains, like I think we're still gonna go. I don't know. But I love this selfie stick, so this is literally my life. Isn't this so good? I can just be like, yeah, and then like if I want you guys closer, I can just like be like this, or if I want you guys like really far away and I want to be like, oh, I can. I don't even know if I hooked this up right, but my phone's not falling out, so I think it did. But yeah, we're probably going to be going fishing. It's just going to be kind of a daily vlog, so let's go. And I'm going to stop it without using my hands. Where we were going to be fishing, and we decided to go, and I'm in my waders and my boots, and it's still snowing, but I'm excited to do this. So yeah, I got my hat, I have a sweatshirt, I have my waders, my boots obviously, and also a coat, so I'm very toasty warm. And I brought my waterproof case, I brought my selfie stick. Well, it's not even mine, but I brought it, so
I begin to
I'm freezing. My fingers feel like they're gonna fall off. I tried fishing, didn't catch anything, so now my dad's trying, so we'll see if he catches anything. So yeah, this is fun, but it's hard to enjoy when your fingers are literally cracking into a million pieces because you have dry hands, and it's snowing harder than it was before. So I don't know if you guys can see it. You can see it on my hat. So yeah. You know.
fishing day. They love the snow.
Still zip fish, nothing. My dad's fishing there in the back. We've been switching off the pole between us, and neither of us have caught anything, and my dad's really good at fishing and hasn't caught anything. The snow was really bad for a little while there, and there's still like a little bit of flurries, but it's like slowing up. But I have a feeling it will probably start again. But look at this view. Oh, selfie, please. We gotta get a selfie of this, guys. I forget that pressing that button stops it, so my bad. But like, let's get like a selfie, like. I don't even know if I took any. You'll see if I did. Yeah, my dad's going out further. I'm just taking a little chill in the sun, trying to warm up my hands. So I got these waders. This is my first time using these waders. I got them at a garage sale for probably like, I don't even know. I got them a long time ago and they wouldn't fit, like 3 years ago. That's an exaggeration, probably like 2. And now they fit, and they were a steal because they work really good. And I think they're only like $5. So yeah, that was a steal. So yeah, I'm hoping we can catch a fish. Sorry, my nose is running because I'm freezing. It doesn't look cold, but I promise it is, believe me. I'm just like kind of experimenting with this selfie stick. I'm so excited to be using this selfie stick more if my sister will let me. So yeah. Yeah, but that's what we're doing right now. Same as what we've been doing this whole video. It's all good, everyone. I'm still figuring this out, so just give me a second. So we're at like our second to last one. We still haven't got anything, so we're kind of getting a little bored. I have been doing it, but it's hard to record myself when I am fishing. But we're at this little ledge right now. My dad's trying to fish in these pools. I promise most of the time we are good at fishing, but we are struggling right now. And I was going to get underwater footage, but my hands are so cold and literally leather that I can't even imagine putting my hands in there. And we're not even catching fish anyway, so there would be nothing to really see down there. So, I'm sorry guys. So yeah.
I begin to